know there's a natural fiber that's warmer than regular wool, but feels softer than cashmere? It's not from sheep. It's not synthetic. It comes from a humble mountain animal with a goofy smile and a fleece so fine that luxury brands around the world fight to get it. Meet the alpaca, a star of the Andes. These gentle animals live high in the mountains, and what they produce is pure gold in the fashion world. Their fleece doesn't itch, doesn't cause allergies, and doesn't harm the planet. But how do farmers raise alpacas? What goes into producing this premium fleece? And why is alpaca wool now trending across Europe, America, and Asia? Stay with us as we explore the incredible journey of alpaca fiber, from quiet mountain farms to high-end fashion runways. This is how alpaca fleece is raised, harvested, and turned into soft, luxurious clothing. Life in the Andes. Alpacas are more than cute animals. In countries like Peru, they're part of daily life. They help families make a living, support local culture, and drive the textile industry. More than 80% of all alpacas live in Peru. That makes Peru the world leader in alpaca wool. What makes alpacas special is how gently they live. Unlike cows or goats, they don't damage the ground. Their feet are soft and don't dig into the soil. When they eat, they only nibble the top of the grass, leaving the roots in place. That protects the land and helps it grow back fast. Because of this, alpacas are seen as eco-friendly animals. They're good for farmers and good for the planet. What alpacas eat? Alpacas don't need much. Their diet is simple, mostly hay and grass. Some farmers add vitamins or grains to support growth, but alpacas get most of their energy from natural food. They're efficient eaters too. A full-grown alpaca only eats about 1.5 to 2 kilograms of dry food in a day. That's much less than most farm animals. Even with such a small diet, they grow soft, rich fleece that sells at premium prices. Taking care in hot weather. Alpacas don't do well in extreme heat. On hot days, farmers sometimes spray them with cool water. This helps them stay calm and avoid stress. It's one of the small but important steps to keep alpacas healthy throughout the year. Checking fleece quality. Not all alpaca fleece is the same. The fiber quality depends on the animal's age, breed, food, and environment. Younger alpacas usually have softer fleece. In the US, fleece is often ranked by its micron size. That's the thickness of the fiber. The lower the micron number, the softer the wool. Very fine fleece is used for scarves, sweaters, and luxury clothes. Thicker fleece works better for making rugs or insulation. Farmers check each alpaca to see which ones produce the finest fleece. That helps them plan shearing, breeding, and sales. How shearing works. Shearing usually happens once a year in spring. That way, the alpaca stays cool during summer. The process is gentle. The alpaca is placed on a soft mat or table, then carefully held to stop sudden movements. This keeps the animal safe. Experienced workers use special tools to shear the fleece. They start from the sides and work around the body.